Good day, everybody. It's Vikas Engelbrecht here with another edition of the weekly crypto roundup, where I give you the latest crypto happenings that happened the past week. And I hope this is educational of nature for you guys, because I really want to help you start and grow a crypto portfolio in a profitable, sustainable, and a legitimate manner. So let's see what happened the latest in this week. So just how I work these discussions, I give you the latest news. Then I'm going to show you the money in one of my strategies that I have that I present to people in terms of how to make money with crypto. So it's a strategy, um, done for you strategy where you can make money with crypto. And then I'm going to take you to the next level if you want to work with me, how you can do that. So let's just remind you guys that you must please register for my fortnightly newsletter. Every 2 weeks, I come with you with news, reviews, interviews, with also breaking news, what happens in cryptos, some views from influencers, crypto education partners. So please subscribe to that. It's for free. I'll send the link in the description, so you can just click on it and subscribe, and you'll get the introduction newsletter, and then welcome email, and then subsequent every 2 weeks you'll get a newsletter. So yeah, please subscribe for that. Then there's a Curve update. What happened with Curve? I mean, what Curve does is it's a DEX, it's a decentralized exchange platform where you can cheaply swap your stable coins. Now, this platform was hit with a re-entrancy attack that allowed attackers to steal tokens from Curve, not only from Curve, but also from lending and borrowing platforms, Metronome and Alchemix. So, um, so the good news is that the Curve Finance platform was able to recoup some of these uh, funds. So the exploiters drained them from 61 million of assets, but he has returned some of the stolen crypto, up to 10 million of ETH and alt ETH. He sent to Alchemix, the multi-signature wallet. So what happens is common for the crypto hackers. They steal the money, but then they can't use it because platforms, they mark these coins as dodgy, or they almost blacklist these coins. So the attacker or the exploiter can't do anything with these things. So yeah, then you rather just return the stuff. And what most of these platforms then do is they have a bounty. So they say, if you give us back our 100 million or 60 million, we will give you 10%. So we will give you 6 million back, that you can keep, just to say thank you that you give us back our funds. So this is what happened with Curve. So hopefully, um, uh, they will return more money, because yeah, once the attacker steals it, you can see where he keeps the money, but he can't do anything with it, and unless he returns it, you don't have access to that money. So let's hope Curve get more of their money back. Then also another Coinbase versus SEC update. Um, you remember the SEC in June, so they um, took Coinbase to court in June because Coinbase, according to them, they um, allegedly violated federal securities laws by operating as an unregistered broker, exchange, and a clearing agency for almost 13 tokens that they say are unregistered securities. So Coinbase went to court because they said this regulator is acting out of the the mandate. So they don't have a clear mandate because they're following this regulation by enforcement strategy, and that brings a lot of uncertainty to the market. So Coinbase said, no, we need to get clarity, and they say the SEC is confusing its mandate and hasn't proven any cryptocurrencies are security assets. So the proof must come from SEC, what they see as securities and which coins are securities. So Coinbase is pushing back, which is a good thing because Coinbase used to be a very compliant, nice guy in the crypto industry, and they used to comply with all these regulators. But now they're pushing back because they realize these regulators are demanding ridiculous things from them. So, and it's a good thing because it's a voice from the crypto industry pushing back, speaking against these um, ridiculous way the SEC is handling cryptos. So they have this draconian way of doing things, and it's good that somebody is stepping up to the plate and say, no more, let's get some proper regulation going. So then in another thing that's happening, and that's been happening the past few months, and that's the institutional activity that's sliding. So what happens, there's something called an OTC, over-the-counter desk wallet. So institutional um, organizations, the big people, asset managers, wealth funds, they keep their Bitcoin in what they call OTC wallets, over-the-counter wallets. And for the past, for the beginning of the whole year, it held good. So there was an increase in activity. So you could see that almost at the end of June, there was almost 7,700 BTC that was kept in these wallets. So these wallets are a proxy for institutional activity, but that has declined now since the end of June to what they say is about 5,138 BTC. So you can see there's the amount of Bitcoin held by institutions dropped by 33% from 7,700 to almost 5,100, which is indicative of the current crypto environment. A lot of uncertainty. So what these institutions do is they take the cryptos off these wallets and they maybe store it in cold storage. So they take it off the exchanges so that the public, because remember, cryptocurrencies, the blockchain is transparent, so you can see what's happening. You not necessarily know who it belongs to, but you can see the activities. So they take it off, and maybe they know something that we don't, so that's why they take it off. But there's been a decline in the amount of Bitcoin held by institutions. And then next up, that's good news from Korea, South Korea. So this South Korea exchange, it's a centralized exchange, Upbit. You remember there's a few big guys in the industry. There's the likes of Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, OKX. So these are the big guys, but this exchange grew suddenly, and in terms of spot trading volume, they've surpassed now Coinbase and OKX. So they are the second largest exchange now by spot trading volume. They grew by 42.3%. So they surpassed Coinbase and OKX, and they are now second largest crypto exchange by trading volume. I've been fortunate in 2017 to work in Korea, and I must tell you, those guys, where Samsung and is established, they know how to work technology, and they are technology freaks. So they are always the first to come out with the latest phone, the latest laptops, and so they are really crypto and technology geeks, those guys. So well done for Upbit. And then next up, let me show you the money. And today's strategy is really a strategy of a done-for-you strategy. So that's where you get regulated institutions in South Africa, like Revix and Easy Equities, where you give your money, you put your money on this platform, and it's like an index trading fund. So you have one investment, and let's say you pay 1,000 rand, and then they take that 1,000 rand and they split it across a few cryptocurrencies. In Revix's case, they call it bundles. So you have a top 10 bundle, the blue chip bundle. And these bundles is almost like a fund, and these fund consists out of a number of cryptos. And what they do is, if you invest in this fund almost diversify your money over these coins. So you spread your risk, and you have lower costs, and they do the rebalancing every month. So what that mean is they chuck out coins that do not perform, and they put in new ones that do perform. So Easy Crypto that, if you remember Easy Equities, they have now a site called Easy Crypto where you can do the same. And I believe Easy Crypto is linked to your Discovery Bank, so you can literally transfer money from your Discovery Bank to Easy Crypto and start investing that way. So it's a good way if you are a hodler. So if you hold on for dear life, you want to hodl your coins, you're not a trader, but you do want to get involved in crypto. This is a safe way to grow your crypto while you have cryptos in the market. So you don't actively trade, but they trade for you, and you get a good return on these coins. So I'll put the links to these two companies in the description. You can then just click and register and check them out a bit more. Okay. So if all these things that I've talked about is like going over your head, and you like say, shucks, I don't know what you're saying. I need some more knowledge. I need to be educated a bit more on these things. Then I have good news for you, because that's what I want to achieve with these videos is to make you aware that a lot of money can be made with cryptos, but you need to be educated. Because if there's a person or a system that's coming to you and say, "Yo, give us your money, and we'll make you more money," please run away from these people, because only deal with regulated, acknowledged people that's in the current South African financial landscape, like your REVIXs, like your crypto equities. Institutions is already part of the landscape, the financial and fintech landscape. But please look out for people that's, you've never heard of, and they say, we'll make you 10 or 20% overnight. Just give us $1,000. Stay away from those people, because the only person that can make money for you is you. The person watching this video, you can make the money. But you need to be educated. You need to learn how it's done. And that's what I'm there for, to help and assist you to do that. And the way I do it is I have a few courses. If you're a financial planner, I will put the courses in the link, so you can go click there. If you're a financial planner, I have a soft spot for financial planner and wealth advisors, because they, with the dawning of cryptos, they have a lot more responsibility in terms of helping their clients becoming part of the landscape, of helping them get on board with cryptos, because it's a new upcoming asset class. They need to learn more about it. That's why I'm putting myself out there to teach them and educate them more about crypto, so that they can help their clients. But I also know that our business owners and salary owners, they also need to know about cryptos, and that's why I'll put the link to the business owners and the salary earners guide to cryptos. Also, there's a link for you. You can just go click and watch the videos. There's like 4 videos, and I teach you the basics of cryptos and how to get started. Then if you are saying, listen, I need just somebody to speak to about cryptos, I need some advice going forward, I have a crypto on demand service. There's also a link where you can just click and book time with me. So that's that about for this week. Please like and subscribe this video, click the notification bell, and give me your comments. What did you like about the content? What did you don't like? What would you like to hear in future? I'm here for you guys, to help you, to join you on your crypto journey. And let's make it work, and let's make crypto money in a profitable, sustainable, and legitimate way. This is me signing off, because Emmelbrecht. Have a blessed weekend, and chat to you again next week.